In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off notifications from apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Simple and easy. To do that, let's move to our settings. Good. And now let's glance through and you can see notifications there. Just expand that. Good. And you can see app notifications here. Just expand that too as well. And it's going to load every app you have on your phone. Good. So you can see when you turn it on like this, it means you've allowed the app to send notifications on your mobile phone. So you can just glance through the apps on your mobile phone and just turn it on and off. You get good. So you just turn it off and you can open the app itself and then do some custom notification settings too as well. So turn it on and off, toggle it on and off, and that's it. And here is also the notification settings, which I think you can also glance through yourself, the advanced settings and all that. But then the main purpose of this video is to turn off notifications from app on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So that's it for the video. And if you're new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.